Let's take a look at problem 2. A 4-digit number plus each of its own digits has a sum of 2011. What number is this? First, we need to apply what it's saying into numbers. So we're not given any specific numbers except for 2011. So what I'm going to do is represent that 4-digit number as ABCD. Why would I represent this as ABCD instead of just say an X? Well, because it says plus each of its own digits. So this way we'll be able to represent the 4-digit number in each of its own digits using the same set of variables. So this plus ABCD is equal to 2011. So here A, B, C, and D are each representing one of the digits. And if they're next to each other with a line over them, it means that they are a 4-digit number not being multiplied. So because it's a 4-digit number and we know each of these digits, in order to really express the value of this number, we need to put it in expanded form. So for example, the A would become 1000A because that's the digit times 1000. B would be 100B, C would be 10C, and D would just be D. So you probably get the idea. You know what expanded form is. So because after that we're going to combine like terms, we're going to have 1001A plus 101B, and so on. So here, whenever you're dealing with this type of problem, it's always important to do this because then you would be able to express more clearly. So this is all equal to 2011. So in this case, A can be equal to 1 or 2. Why? Because if A is equal to, equal to 2, that would already be 2002. If it's 3 or any bigger, it would already go past 2011. That's not what we want, and A can only be 1 or 2. So what if A equaled 2? Well, if A equaled 2, then it won't work. Why? Well, 101B might say become a 9. B might become 9 to get as close to 2011 as possible. But then in the end, you'll see that D will have to become a fraction. And if you test it out, that won't work. So this does not work. But what if we did number the second possibilities and A equals 1? If A equals 1, then B would be equal to 9, C would be equal to 9, and D would be equal to 1. And I'm not going to go over this just because, you know, A, B, C, and D, well, this is not the first time we've done this type of problem. Really, it's just thinking about what would make sense and what would get you as close to 2011 as possible. And because we have these numbers, we know that the final answer would be 1991, 1991.